acting judge or acting Chief Justice of India, that is of Supreme Court, appointment of ad hoc judges, salaries. So these are the different articles, right, which are for all these things there are separate articles which we can consider. Fine. So this is about the union judiciary, which is ranging from the article 124 to 144, right? So that is about this particular part which we can consider. Then फॉर एक्झाम्पल राष्ट्रपतींच्या म्हणजे जो दयेचा अर्ज येतो राष्ट्रपतींकडे, राईट. सो त्या दयेच्या अर्जाच्या विचाराचा हक्क, राईट, हा जो आहे त्याच्यासाठी एक आर्टिकल आहे, राईट. सो दॅट पर्टिक्युलर इज देअर इफ यू कन्सिडर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर थिंग, राईट. सो these are some of the articles which are related. Then next in this case we can consider that is chapter 5, right, which has articles okay, chapter 5, right. So if you consider this particular part, then which is related to the CAG, that is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAG of India. So which is having articles 148 and 149, right. So these are some of the articles which we can consider in this particular case. Now see, in between some of the articles which you can consider here, right, about some of the other things. For example, here if you consider the Lokpal, right. So Lokpal is being very recently introduced, right. I mean talahi 7-8 वर्ष झाली. So that is the case which we can consider, right. So in between some of the things which we cannot see here, right, about that particular. Fine. So in between some of the articles you might be seeing it's a like skit one, right. So this is about the part 5 which we have, right, from the articles. Then next one is part 6. Now 6th part is about the states, right. So it's about states, राज्यांच्या संबंधीचं सगळं त्याच्यामध्ये everything. And the articles in this are from 152 to 37, I think 37, right. So about states. Now what about the states? Obviously in this case again, if you consider the things which are related to the states, so here you have the government of state, right, or the state level governments. Then it's executive, right, the state legislature, then high courts and subordinate courts, right, high court, session court, district court, session court, right. So these are the things. So whatever related to the states, that comes in part 6, right. So it is about the part 6, that is of states. The next part is part 7, right. So part 7 which has article 238, and it is related to the let's say what we can consider the states in the first schedule, right? So whatever the states in the first schedule given, so about it, this is right. So related to the states in the first schedule. So again, in first schedule, if you see, there are part A, B, I think basically related to the states in, here I will write in the part B. So in schedule again, some of the states are in the schedule again. You will be having sections A, B, C. So there are some states which are in the part B, and this article is related to that particular, right? Anyway, you should not worry about these things. Right? So here the purpose is getting introduced, right? And if it is served, no doubt, some of the cases we will be seeing in what I can say differently. For example, in GK, we are going to see some of the points related to Lokpal. So everything in regard of Lokpal will be always coming in front of you, right? Then recently we will be going to recently happened thing will be discussed, and so we will be going to discuss about CAA, NRC, right? We will be also looking into 35A, 370, right? I know once a while, if you know these things, or just by knowing these things, you will be starting think on, and you will be emerging out with the questions, right? So the questions will be coming to your mind by just by seeing these points or these things, right? Then part 10, right? If you consider, then the part 10. Now in this particular case, if you see what exactly we do have, right, in the part 10. So part 10 is about the, let's say, article 244, right? Again here you will be having article 244 and 244A. So this is about the schedule and the tribal areas, the scheduled and tribal areas, right? म्हणजे काय अनुसूचित आणि आदिवासी क्षेत्र. So about it, this particular part is there. Then part 11, which has the articles from 245 to 263, And what about it is? So 245 to 263 is nothing but the relations of or relations between the states and union. केंद्राचा आणि राज्याचं रिलेशनच्या संदर्भानं, right? So this particular part is there. So 245 to 263 are different articles which are related to that particular. Part 12, which has articles from 264 to 300, and it is about the finance, then property, arthik, malmatta, contracts, right, karar. So all about this particular we can consider. Fine. Okay, in this case I will tell you one thing. In part 11, right, so in this pandemic we do have a article 144 open, right? So according to that, most of the controls are in the hands of central government, right? And if you consider the relations between states and union, so very recently again, very 5 वर्ष झाली किंवा होत आहेत, the implementation of GST, right? Implementation of GST. So हा पण एक दोघांमधल्या रिलेशनचा विषय. सो काय असू शकेल नाही का? देन एखादं नवीन न्यायालय स्थापन करायचं, राईट, अतिरिक्त न्यायालय ज्याला आपण म्हणू, बरोबर. सो दॅट विल बी द केस. त्याच्यानंतर आणीबाणीची केस आहे, आणीबाणी लागू करायची, तर त्या पर्टिक्युलर केसमध्ये काय असेल. समजा एखाद्या राज्याच्या विधिमंडळानं काही कायदे केले असतील, तर ते कायदे पार्लमेंटनं तपासले पाहिजे. त्याच्याबद्दल आर्टिकल आहे. एक्झॅक्टली इट इज फॉर एमर्जन्सी 250, राईट, 250 नुसार आणीबाणीचा आहे. सो दीज आर द रिलेशन्स बिटवीन द states and union which we can consider. Fine. So this is about the part 11. Now part 12, 64 to 300. So in this case, the finance, property, contracts which we have considered, no doubt, right? But in this case again, if you consider म्हणजे केंद्राचे अधिकार आणि राज्यांचे अधिकार काय असू शकतात, right? So that would be the point related to this one, that is finance, property and contracts. So this is the part 12. Now part 13, right, which is about part 13. Now part 13, if you consider, so in this case we have articles from anyway yes, 300, so 301 to 307. So these are the articles. And what about these are? So these are about trade, commerce, and the intercourse within India. Intercourse within India. थोडक्यात काय, व्यापार आणि वाणिज्य, उद्योग आणि वाणिज्य, राईट. सो व्यापाराच्या संदर्भाने जे जे असेल, दॅट इज इन 301 to 307, that is part 13, right? We do have part 14 is having articles related to the services under the union, right? Services under union. Under the union. and the states and the states, right? So services under the union and the states, which are in this particular what we can consider the part. So that is part 14. Fine. Then next we do have is the part 14A. So this 14A is having same article, that is now yes, article 223AB, right? And that is related to the tribunals, right? So 323A and B, right, which is about the tribunals. Then part 15, is of 324 to 329, and which is about most important thing, elections, right? So elections are according to this particular, right? So here the direction of control of elections to the whose rights are vested in the election commission, right? So this is article 324. Then no person to be ineligible for inclusion in or to claim to be included in the special electoral roll, right? म्हणजे मतदानाचा अधिकार on grounds of religion, race, caste and gender, म्हणजे जात पात धर्म आणि जन्म याच्यावर आधारित एखाद्याला मतदानाचा अधिकार नाकारला जाऊ नये किंवा तो नाही, राईट? ह्याच्याबद्दलचं there is article 325. Then the elections of the House of People and the legislative assemblies of the states to be on the basis of let's say adult suffrage, right? म्हणजे त्याची स्वतः त्याची काही नियमावली असेल, right? Eligibility असेल. So then the power of the parliament to make provision with the respect to the elections to the legislatures, right? So yache kai articles hai. So all these are in from 324 to 329, right? That is about part 50, elections. Part 16, right? So part 16 is about some of the special provisions, and which are from 330 to 323, I think 342, right? 330 to 342. So these are about some of the special provisions for what? Of certain classes, of certain classes, right? So this is about part 16, which we can consider. Then next in this is part 17. So if you consider part 17, which has the articles 343 and 351, right? So it is about the official languages. I think in one of the previous sessions we have gone through all these languages. So it is about official languages. Part 18, yes, 18, which has article 352 to 360, and which are about the emergency provisions. Emergency provisions. Now see, in this emergency provisions, that is proclamation of emergency, proclamation of financial emergency. एक राष्ट्रीय आणीबाणी, एक आर्थिक आणीबाणी, right? Currently, in last month, government of India thought about the financial emergency. आणीबाणी म्हणजे सगळंच बंद, राईट. एक ठराविक नियम ठरवला जातो, तेवढं सोडून बाकीचं सगळं जे असेल ते सगळं गव्हर्नमेंटचं. मला वाटते 77 मध्ये जेव्हा इमर्जन्सी लावली त्यावेळी लोकांनी एक एक गोष्ट ठरवलेली गव्हर्नमेंटने, त्याच्यापेक्षा जे जास्त होतं ते सगळं लोकांनी रस्त्यावर टाकून दिलं, राईट. सो दॅट इज ती एक आणीबाणी. आता आर्थिक आणीबाणी फक्त आणि फक्त खर्चाचे अधिकार गव्हर्नमेंटकडे राहतील, सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटकडे. कुठलंही राज्य सरकार काही करू शकणार नाही, राईट. म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा प्रश्न असला तरी सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट डिसिजन घेईल रिलेटेड टू द फायनान्स. सो that are about the emergency provisions, right? So this is of simply emergency, or second is financial emergency, which we can consider. हे सगळ्या गोष्टी कन्सिडर करून काही पॉइंट शिल्लक राहत असतात, ज्याला आपण मिसलेनियस मध्ये टाकू शकतो, राईट. सो मिसलेनियस, so which is called part 19. Right. So part 19 can be of miscellaneous, and which has the articles 360 to 365. Right. So these are the points which we can consider in miscellaneous 361 to 365. Right. We do have these parts. Now I think we are approaching to the end. So in this particular case, if you consider, right, the what I can consider other parts, right, which are related to, okay, I will tell right the first part. Field of judiciary we can consider. So that is about the courts. So in this particular case, the bar to interfere, right, by the bar to interference by the courts in the some of the disputes arising out of certain treaties, agreements, etc. that comes in the miscellaneous. म्हणजे जे दुसरीकडे कन्सिडर झालेलं नाही पण महत्वाचं आहे, right. So that are some of the things which are of miscellaneous. For example, recognitions granted to the rules of Indian states, to case and privy was to be abolished. They काही rules recognition grant करायचे असतील राज्यांना, जेणेकरून ते काही rules abolish करू शकतात. So that also comes in miscellaneous, right, which we can find in these particular. For example, again, effect of failure to comply with or to give effect to, right, or the directions given by the union. म्हणजे कधी कधी असं होतं की ती एका दिवस सांगितली जाते काहीच होत नाही, right. So that will also come in miscellaneous, right. Anyway, part 20 was about the amendment of the constitution, right, and it has article 368, which is necessary or important. Now there are some of the temporary, transitional, and special provisions, right. So special status of state, right? You know, Bihar is asking for that, or you know, already there is, rather there was now Kashmir, right? So what about it was? So temporary, transitional थोड्या काळासाठी जे गुजरातचं आहे, and some special provisions, right? So what is special provisions? The special status of the state. So that is there, and that comes in part 21st. Part 21st, and which has articles from 369 to 392, right? 369 to 392. So this is of that particular thing. And you know, in this there was 370, which was about the special status of states, particularly J and K. Right. Nowadays, it has been aborted, but it was primarily it was there. Fine. So, which we can consider about the special status or the temporary, transitional, and the special regions. And the last part which we can consider is the part 22, which has articles from 393 to 395. So what is there in this? So in this part, the short title, commencement, then authoritative text of let's say in Hindi, and the repeats which we can consider. Right. So here I can write the short title, abbreviations, what we can consider, commencements, right. Then authoritative text in Hindi and repeats, right? So these are the points which we can consider in this particular case, right? So altogether, these are the different parts we do have considered for this one, right? So you know, 14A, that has one, then 19AB. So altogether 3 have been increased in this, and so it altogether we can call 25, right? But by number, by total there are 25, by number these are 22. And the same case is happening in also the articles, right? Some very less we have seen AB, or let's say sometimes A, B, C, D are there, right? But here we have to just explore these particular points, which are some of the which has some of the significance or the importance, right? So it's all about these particular articles and parts of Constitution of India, right? Now, many a times, what I wanted to tell you, right? Whenever we will be seeing some of the things related to the GK, right, as far as general knowledge is concerned, so at that time we will be referring some of the things of the points whatever we have seen in this particular session, right? See, ultimately its purpose is only to be effective, right? You have to be effective, and it is going to help in that particular case. In my opinion, a written examination, very small or very less probability is there, right? Still, ultimately you have to use it somewhere, so they are in serial number, right? Just a minute, who is there? Mandar. Mandar, they are in serial number, but in between, if you could see, some of the numbers have been skipped. Right. I think I have also emphasized it or talked something about it. Uh, that here the though they are not uh, commencement Shreyas, right? COMENCEMEN. So short titles and commencements which we can consider, right? So that is of it. Fine. Anyway, okay. I think that's it from this side about all this. If anything if you would like to know or ask, you can. Yes. Now the chapters are for made for the, I think, Akshay, convenience, right? If you consider these were the chapters which which uh, which are about the executive, right? That is related to president. Then second is about only the union. Then next was about the state, right? So that is, sorry, union judiciary, right? Then second, then next is about the controller and auditor general of India. So that is only for the convenience, nothing else. Right? As we do have title, the heading one, heading two, right, or subheadings. Likewise, it is only, and to bifurcate them, right? As such, itself they are bifurcated, but if you make a chapter, so chapter 4, that is everything related to CAG of India. Chapter 3, everything related, chapter 4, everything related to the judiciary. And chapter 5 is everything related to the CAG of India. That's the thing. So answer to your question is for the convenience. If someone else, if no, I think there were two questions. So just let me see. Okay, Akshay, about how many? No, see, very first thing. No, no, the question will be never asked about how many parts, right? But since it is how many, Kitty, it's altogether 25, right? It is 25. Mandar, okay, I'm thinking to go with the what we can consider superlatives, right? What I can call it superlatives, or maybe topic wise I can say you. I was thinking about going through the female, first female, as far as India is concerned. We have to look into four different things. Uh, Now I think one major part of one is getting done, that is constitution, right? So uh, history, geography, what we can consider again, GK, right? So then economy, sort of economy. So that are the parts which we can or we need to go through, right? So it's all about it. I think Mandar, Though it was, but I think it was through the point of view of SPI. So no doubt, most of that or everything which you have considered for SPI will be repeated, but there are some inclusions, right? Because now you are looking for NTA. Fine. Akshay, it is very difficult because as far as our curriculum or the structure is concerned, but by various aspects or various sessions, ultimately it will get covered. Like for example, there will be a session about schemes of schemes of government, right? So that schemes related to agriculture, schemes related to business, right? Particularly commerce, trade, right? So by seeing all these